What if I told you that a single sentence, just one, has the power to make her pulse quicken, linger in her thoughts for days, and instantly set you apart from every other man she's met? It might sound exaggerated, but here's the reality most men never uncover. It's not your appearance, your income, or your status. It's the way your words make her feel. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. Welcome to the Love Blueprint, where we explore the deeper psychology behind attraction, emotional connection, and what truly resonates with a woman on a meaningful level. In this video, we're focusing on a skill most men underestimate: the art of delivering compliments that actually leave a lasting impression. Let's be honest, if you had the chance to say one thing she'd remember for years, would you waste it on "you look nice" or "you're hot"? Most men do, and that's exactly why they're forgettable. But you're here because you want to stand out. Attraction isn't built on surface level remarks, it's built on emotional depth. And one of the most powerful tools you have is a thoughtful compliment, delivered with intention and presence. Think about it. Have you ever seen a woman's entire energy shift because of something a man said? Her posture changes, her eyes soften, her focus locks in. That's not coincidence. It's psychology in action. Today, you're getting 8 powerful compliments that go far beyond the usual. These aren't cheap lines, they're emotional cues that make her feel noticed, valued, and drawn toward you in a way she can't quite explain. Because here's the truth: if you keep using generic compliments, you'll always blend in. But a man who speaks with purpose, who understands timing, tone, and meaning, becomes unforgettable. So if you're ready to elevate your presence, create real attraction, and leave a lasting impression, stay with me. And quickly, if you want to sharpen your understanding of attraction and build stronger connections, subscribe to the Love Blueprint. This is where you learn to become the kind of man women naturally gravitate toward. Let's begin. Compliment number one: that scent you're wearing, it's genuinely captivating. This isn't just about noticing fragrance, it's about triggering emotion. Scent is deeply tied to memory and desire. When you acknowledge it calmly and sincerely, you show awareness and attention to detail. She won't just remember what you said, she'll connect that feeling with you. Compliment number two: your smile completely changes the atmosphere around you. This goes beyond physical beauty. You're recognizing her impact. A smile that shifts the energy in a room is powerful and rare. When you notice that, you're showing emotional awareness, not just attraction. Compliment number three: I really respect how authentic you are. You don't try to be anyone else. In a world full of filters and validation seeking behavior, authenticity stands out. This compliment speaks to who she is at her core. When a woman feels accepted for her true self, the connection deepens naturally. Compliment number four: I like the way you think. It's different and it challenges me. Now you're stepping into uncommon territory. Instead of focusing on appearance, you're valuing her perspective. You're showing genuine interest in her mind, which creates intrigue and emotional engagement. Compliment number five: there's something about your energy. It makes me want to improve myself. Energy is powerful. Some people drain you, others elevate you. By saying this, you're acknowledging her influence on your growth. That's not just attraction, it's respect. Compliment number six: you're one of the most thoughtful people I've come across. It really shows. In a world full of shallow interactions, genuine thoughtfulness is rare. When you recognize it, you're acknowledging her character and effort, not just what's visible on the surface. Compliment number seven: I admire how focused and driven you are. It's inspiring. Ambition is attractive, but being recognized for it is even more powerful. This shows you value her direction in life, not just how she looks. That creates a deeper kind of connection. Compliment number eight: you have a way of making people feel comfortable, like they truly matter. Very few people have this ability. When you point it out, you're highlighting her emotional intelligence and presence. This kind of recognition hits deeply and stays with her. And there you have it: 8 compliments that go far beyond the surface. These aren't just words, they create emotion, they build connection, they leave an imprint. Because at the end of the day, she may forget the exact words, but she will always remember how you made her feel. So start being more aware, speak with purpose, slow down, and mean what you say. Because when you do, you're not just talking, you're influencing how she experiences you. Before you go, if you're serious about improving your mindset, confidence, and attraction skills, subscribe to the Love Blueprint and turn on notifications. And here's something I want you to do right now. Comment the word seen if this shifted your perspective on attraction. That one word shows you understand something most men never will. I'll see you in the next video. Quick note from the Love Blueprint. Some parts of this content may be supported by advanced AI tools during research and production. However, every idea, principle, and message is intentionally designed to help you better understand attraction, relationships, and emotional dynamics. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered professional advice. If you're serious about mastering connection the right way, subscribe and keep building your blueprint.